Hi, third grade. I am super excited for a project that we're going to start for the month of December. So, do you remember when we read the story, The Balloons Over Broadway by Melissa Sweet? That was the biography of, um, oh my gosh, what was his name? Sarg, Tony Sarg. That's right, Tony Sarg, and how he created the balloons and how the whole Macy's Day Parade came about. Well, in years past, when we've been in school, I've always done a really fun activity on the iPads where students create balloons and they look like they're in New York City. But I have even better idea that I learned about this week. See, learning you never stop. And it's how to do stop motion video in Google Slides. And since we've been learning about Google Docs, I thought, oh, perfect transition into our next learning component for Google Suites. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do it in steps so that we build on this through the whole month of December. To start, you're going to go into your dashboard and go to Google Drive. When you go to Google Drive, you are going to go to New and then Google Slides. When you get this up, the first thing you're going to do is title your presentation, because nothing is worse than forgetting to add a title and then not being able to find it in your Google Drive. So I clicked on this untitled presentation in the corner and it all turned green. That means that I can just start typing and I don't have to delete anything. So I'm going to type in stop motion 1, because who knows, you might want to create some more. Then I'm going to click on this slide here, and you can see I have two different text boxes. I'm going to click on the outer line of this one and hit backspace. I had to look at my Chromebook to see what year was read. And then I'm going to do the same thing for this one. Click on it, turn it blue, and hit backspace. Now the next thing I'm going to do is mine opens up over here with this themes box, and I want to close it. I don't need that open right now. It just gives me more room to see my screen. All right, so our first step is we are going to go to background. We're going to choose an image by a Google image search. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to type in NYC all together, space, street. Okay. Stands for New York City. Now there's a particular street I want you to look for on this one. We'll see how good we can follow directions. I have to scroll it up a little bit. And it's this one right here that I want you to find. So you can see it's got these little white crosswalks in the front. All you have to do is double click it and it will insert into your Google Slides. Okay, so now we're done. All right, next step. This is the trickier part of our lesson. So you are going to go into Schoology, and in our December media project folder where you found my video, you're going to see parade character images. Okay, click on that. Now it says refuse to connect. Well, let's see if we open up in this little box here. Ta-da! So don't be discouraged if you see the sad face. Just go to the square with an arrow in it and it will open up in a new tab. It's just too much for it to load. Now what you need to do here is click on images. We are looking for a balloon image to do stop motion with, but we want just one balloon. I don't like these ones. Those are terrible images. We want to look for a standalone balloon, something like this. We could try to use this Snoopy one. I'm not sure how much of the background it'll pull out. This Dora one might be better, Olaf, etc. I'm just gonna, for time's sake, I'm gonna choose this one. Now, here's the tricky part. to get this picture to download to your Chromebook, you need to take 2 fingers and click on the right. Let's see if I can show this to you over here. If you can see this. Oh, I gotta get out of this download box. You're gonna click on the right side of the picture. So I'm on my trackpad. Can you see when I'm on the picture I want? I take my 2 fingers and I click down and hold them. Oh, that didn't work. I did when I had it sitting down. Okay, maybe I just need to get a better picture. Okay, I'll do this one. 2 fingers. There. Now it opens up a box, and I'm going to have you see that's where you can save it. What I need to do is scroll down to Save Image As right here. I'm not sure if you can see that. Save Image As and let go. And then it's going to go into your downloads on the Chromebook. And it's on the bottom here. It's highlighted blue. I don't have to click anything. I'm just going to type the name of my character. Or you can just put a number if you want, if that's way faster. So I did Snoopy. So I'm going to put Snoopy. And I'm going to leave it because it's already got the .jpg. And hit enter. And now it's on my Chromebook. So now the next step is going to be the same on a Chromebook or on a computer, whatever you choose to do. All right, so I don't need this website anymore, so I'm going to X out of that one. And then I'm going to go back to Schoology, to December Media Project, and I'm going to go to the link here that says Background Remover. Again, it's too big to open up right there, so we go to our square with the arrow. All right, so this website I also learned about, which I thought, woohoo, this is awesome. I want to upload an image that has a background. And what it does is it removes all the background. It turns it into a PNG essentially. So I'm going to upload my image. Okay, I have tons of screenshots. So this is the one that I chose. Click open. To upload on yours, click upload. You're going to go to downloads because that's where your image is sitting because you don't have a hard drive like I do. Now you can see how it took away most of that background. It has a few things left floating, but I'm not going to worry about it. So then I just click download. Okay, so now that's where it's going to save. Next step, I am going to go back to my stop motion one, my Google slide tab. And I know this is the right one because it's got that yellow square with the white in the middle. Now this is where I can bring in a photo. So if you go to this little picture here, looks like it's got a mountain next to the T, but right here it's insert image. I can click on this and I can upload from computer. Now, I'm going to go to my downloads, and here is my picture. There it is. Okay, then I'm going to put it here. All right, I want you to pause the video and take care of that. Get your background in, get your balloon in, and then I just want you to stop, okay? It will save it all there, and you can come back to the next step.